to sound a bit like their first one. Kind of random notes out of tune, but it is all original tunes by the acro-cats. Have you got the cowbell tuna? That's your cue. Back up here. More cowbell. More cowbell tuna. And remember, you can find them on Facebook under Tuna and the Rockcats and Twitter as well. This is our last night in LA. And after this, we're going to Sedona, Arizona, and Santa Fe, New Mexico. So if you know anyone in that area, please let them know. We have a cat fan email list that you can sign up for, or you can go to circuscats.com. Very nice. Big round of applause for okay, all right, let's start here. Here's Tuna's tuna. All right. Thanks. I know, thanks. I'm coming over here. All right, now we're actually going to speed things up for the next song because Newey's got a brand new sound. Newey has a synthesizer she likes to get going to take us back to the 80s. Take it away, Newey. Now give it up for Newey. CG on drums.
Drum solo!
Pinky on guitar. And Vienna on cymbal and tambourine. And Tuna on cowbells. They never saw me play cowbell. Tuna and the Rockcats. Now we are actually going to keep the band going for a bit, so you of course can enjoy their lovely music. And come on up and meet the band.
Yay!
But we ask that you do not pet the band. They don't like it and they are trying to play their instruments. They're very serious musicians. However, you can pet the great kitty that is coming out on the stool, so you can pet her. And of course, you can stand next to your favorite band members and take video, pictures,
I love that cat.
update your
That's good.
Facebook